Okay. What are the last topic explained to you?
Sir, about the revolt, sir. The third estates get angry on first, second estate, and first estate, and they make their own constitution.
I think I explained even this also. Abolishes monarchy and France became democracy.
Yes, sir. And some symbols are also, sir.
Okay. I'll continue from there. We discussed about the Estate General meeting. Estate General meeting was called by Louis XVI. Estate General meeting was called by Louis XVI to increase the tax on the third estate. But the third estate demanded for one person, one vote instead of one estate, one vote. So as a result, what happened? The third estate boycotted the estate general meeting, and after boycotting, they attended in a place called Oath of Tennis Court. This we discussed in detail. The Oath of Tennis Court, they decided to write a constitution to France. This is a picture related to Oath of Tennis Court. So in the Oath of Tennis Court, they decided to draft a constitution to France. According to this Oath of Tennis Court only, the constitution of France was drafted in the year 1791. In the year 1791, France became a constitutional monarchy. That is what. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution of France in the year 1791. Its main objective was to limit the power of monarch or to the king, and power was concentrated in the hands of the people. So France became constitutional monarchy in the year 1791, and after that, the division of power under judiciary, executive, and legislature was done in the France. But because of the secret agreement done by Louis XVI with the neighboring nations, the National Assembly decided to revolt against the king, and as a result, what happened? King Louis XVI was arrested and guillotined on 21st January 1973. Hope we finished discussion till this topic, isn't it? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, we studied about the Declaration of Rights of the Citizens. The Constitution of France adopted several new rights. These rights, of course, I read out on that day. That is, men are born and remain free and equal. The aim of every political association is the preservation of natural and inalienable rights to the men. The source of all sovereignty resides in the nation. The law has the right to forbid only action that are injurious to society. Law is the expression of general will. All citizens have the right to participate in its formation. Personally or through their representatives, all citizens are equal before the law. All these topics we discussed in detail in the previous class. Is discussed or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, until Reign of Terror we discussed.
Yes,
After
until Reign of Terror discussed, but nobody was responding. That's why I'm just going through these topics. And France abolished monarchy and become republic. This just now I explained that Louis XVI signed an agreement, secret agreement with the negotiation of the neighboring kings. When Louis XVI signed a secret negotiation with the neighboring kings, the National Assembly voted against the Louis XVI and decided to declare war against the Prussia and Austria. And of course, they marched in a place called Marseilles, and they sing the song of Marseilles, which later became the national anthem of France. And all these revolutionary activities, what leadership was taken by a club called Jacobin Club. The leader of Jacobin Club was the leader of Jacobin Club,
Sir Maximilian Robespierre.
Maximilian Robespierre. Maximilian Robespierre was the leader of Jacobin Club. So Jacobins planned to attack on Louis XVI. As a result, on 21st September 1971, France abolished monarchy and declared France as a republic. Means they removed the power, they removed the king from the post. So France abolished monarchy, or they removed the king from the post, and not only abolished the king from the post or the power, they declared France as a republic. Republic means the head of the country who is not hereditary. Head of the country may be elected or directly or indirectly elected. That is called republic. So France became republic means France, the practice of power given to the king came to an end in France. That is what France became republic. And finally, what happened to Louis XVI, which is explained here. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by the court for the charges of treason for working against his own country. And on 21st January 1793, Louis XVI was executed in a place called Place de la Concorde, and the same fate was met later to Mary Antoinette. After this only, the reign of terror. What is reign of terror? That is fear of, the period of fear, that is called reign of terror. The period from 1793 to 1794 is called as reign of terror because of the policies implemented by Maximilian Robespierre, leader of Jacobin Club. Maximilian Robespierre, leader of Jacobin Club, introduced several reforms. Out of the several reforms, the few important reforms introduced by the Maximilian Robespierre was introduction of uniform bread. Uniform bread to all. Means earlier, wheat bread and white bread. White bread was only first and second estate was allowed to use white bread. The wheat bread was given to, or the brown bread was given to the third estate. Now Maximilian Robespierre introduced uniform bread so that all are supposed to eat the same bread. That is the one policy. Second major policy introduced by Maximilian Robespierre, or all birth-based privileges were abolished. Privileges by birth, because the first and second estate was not paying the tax. That is the privilege by birth. So all the birth-based privileges were abolished by Maximilian Robespierre. That is one more step taken by Maximilian Robespierre. Any other you remember? Any other steps taken by Maximilian Robespierre?
Sir, anyone who will go against him will be guillotined.
Okay. Any other? Any other steps taken by Maximilian
Sir, peoples were not able to share their public opinions to their leaders.
Okay, so individual freedom, curtain a censorship on the freedom of expression. Censorship on the freedom of expression also introduced. One more thing you should always remember, Maximilian Robespierre destroyed the institution of church. He converted church into barracks for the soldiers. So converting churches into barracks, it is an indication that the importance of Pope and church ceased to exist or abolished completely. That is the reason why the introduction of the churches was converted into barracks. Apart from that, some special titles, earlier Madam, Sir, these kind of special titles were used for the people belongs to the aristocratic society. I explained you what is aristocratic. What is aristocratic? What is aristocratic?
Having very near relationship with the king and very rich persons.
Aristocrats means very rich. Okay, very rich. Who were aristocrats? That is the answer what Kirtan told. Who were aristocrats in France means the relatives of the kings, they were aristocrats. But in general, aristocratic means people who are very rich, like what we have today, Ambani, Tata, Birla, and all those. They are well, we can call them as multimillionaires or aristocrats. Okay. So all these special titles like sir, madam, all these kind of special titles were stopped and all were called as citoyens. Citoyen, that is citizen. Okay. So that is was one more step taken by Maximilien Robespierre. But Maximilien Robespierre was very cruel in punishing his own people if they not respected the law. As a result, what happened? Maximilien Robespierre was punished by the court and he was guillotined by the Jacobin club, his own club. Till this, I explained you. Hope you remember.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us continue the next topics. Directory rules France. After fall of Jacobean club, the government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize the power. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote for non-propertied sections of the people. It is very unfortunate that France till recently, means till 1948, France had changed its constitution.
Sir, we are not able to hear you.
Who are you, Vinayak? Who are you?
Now you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
बोलो क्या है?
Sir, before we were not able to hear you.
My dear, it is very cloudy in Bijapur. It's heavy rain in Bijapur. बीच बीच में नेटवर्क डाउन होता होगा. Okay, don't worry, because physical class and online class there is always different. Anyhow, what I was explaining you, Indian Constitution. How many constitutions written in India? How many constitutions written in India?
Sir, one.
Only one. Okay. Before that, there was a constitution written by Motilal Nehru, but that
Yes, sir. It was before independence.
yeah, that is not, we don't consider that constitution. But in India, we had only one constitution started writing in the year 1946 and finalized writing in the year 1949.
47.
1949. Okay. And adopted in the year?
Sir, 1950, sir.
Yeah, 1950. On day? Which day?
Sir, January 15.
26 January.
26 January.
Okay. So in India, we are very lucky that only one constitution is written in India and that constitution is finally adopted and we are all following that constitution till today. But France changed its constitution, rather wrote its constitution 4 times. Now you see here, a new constitution was introduced in France. So that is after death of Maximilien Robespierre. So Constitution of France was adopted in the year 1791, but the Constitution adopted in the 1791, it is changed once again in the year 1794 because according to the new Constitution adopted after death of Maximilien Robespierre, introduced several new things. What are the new things? Denied vote for new non-propertied sections of the society. Please write down. So according to the new constitution of France, non-propertied men means those who are the labor class, those who don't have property, they were denied of voting right. It selected for 2 elected legislative council. These then adopted a directory. Directory is nothing but board of directors. Board of directors. What is the purpose of board of directors? Board of directors are the group of people who are involved in administration. So France went under the control of board of directors. That is what? Then these appointed by a directory, an executive made up of 5 members. This was meant a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive as under Jacobians. So why this board of directors is made? Because people in France understood that after death of Louis XVI, Jacobians controlled the activity in France. Jacobians controlled activities in France. Now, after death of Maximilien Robespierre, they felt that henceforward there should not be further control by the Jacobians. That's why they introduced a group of people that is called directory. However, the directors are often clashed with legislative council, who then dismiss them. The political inability or instability of directory paved the way for rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Now, what happened in France after 1790, after death of Maximilien Robespierre? There were a group of people who are called as board of directors who controlled the administration of France. But the board of directors always had a clash with the legislative members, those who are elected by the people. So that means there was always clash between board of directors and elected members in the France. As a result, the French government became very weak. The weak government led to the rise of a powerful military dictator called Napoleon Bonaparte. So Napoleon Bonaparte ruled France from 1804 to 1815 till the Battle of which battle?
Sir, Battle of Waterloo.
Battle of Waterloo. Any doubt till now? I want to
No, sir.
hear everybody's voice. 19 are there, only 19 are there. I don't know what happened to other Mahans.
No doubt, sir.
Why many are not joining?
Some are waiting in lobby, sir.
Who is waiting in lobby? Nobody is waiting in lobby.
They in group they
Sir,
told,
some are having network problem.
Is it common for all the classes or it is only for this class?
all classes, sir.
All
Sir, your 2 links are there, sir. Everybody will join for wrong link.
Joining with the other link, sir, because you are having 2 links, sir. Before we were joining that old one, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Before you joined with that old link, sir, now you have joined with new links or some more.
Okay, actually this link is not there with you.
It is there, sir, but
Yes, sir, but the old one is also there,
making
sir.
confusion.
What happened? No, one day there was a problem. Then that's why I logged in other mobile, rather other laptop. But this link also there with me now. If you don't have this link, you can send in the. Those who have this link, you send in the WhatsApp group. Let me see response is coming or not.
Yes, sir, we are, sir.
You send in WhatsApp group. Let me
In
see.
a,
Sir, once we join the class in WebEx, it will be saved, sir. Link will be saved.
Correct. Person. Okay. Now let us see. The person.
sir, in A section I am sending.
C section. Somebody sent a link. B section also somebody sent. Let me see. After this, let us see if your point is valid. Then let us see how many are coming now. But one day when I conducted class in mobile, then class, then many joined in the mobile. Mobile, what happened now? We cannot share the content in the mobile. Hmm. Anyhow, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll proceed with the next topic, that is women's participation in the revolt of 1857. Now this link you please circulate among yourself, no? Now 5 joined, let me see. So women's participation, those who are joined just now, will continue the about women's participation in the revolution. Can you name a leader of women leader in the Indian freedom movement who started active support with the Mahatma Gandhi? Can you name anyone?
Sir, Sarojini Naidu.
Very good. Sarojini Naidu. When?
Sir, in Dandi March.
Dandi March. Year?
Sir, 1914.
1940.
14. 14.
Okay. Dandi March is not 1930, 1930. Okay. So in India, when freedom movement was started in India, Gandhiji felt that there is a less participation from women in the freedom movement. Gandhiji felt that freedom movement, even men, women, irrespective of gender, it should be supported. That's the reason why Mahatma Gandhi appointed Sarojini Naidu as the president of Indian National Congress session in the year 1925. I repeat, in the year 1925. After Sarojini Naidu became the president of Indian National Congress, she actively participated in the movements, freedom movement, because after that the famous Dandi March, in that several women participated actively in the freedom movement. Now let us understand what is the participation level of women in French Revolution. From very beginning, women were very active participant in the events which brought about so many important changes in French society. They hoped their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce the measures to improve their lives. Most women of Third Estate had to work for living. They worked as seamstresses or launderers, sold flowers, fruits, and vegetables at the market. They were employed as domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. Most women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughters of nobles or rich members of the Third Estate could study at a convent, after which the families arranged marriage for them. Working women had also to care for their families, that is, the cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after children. Their wages were lower than those of men. Now, this entire paragraph explains about the condition of women who belongs to the Third Estate. The women who belongs to the Third Estate, they had very noble work, and of course they were not very wealthier or the rich. As a result, they were denied of education. They were asked to do all the domestic jobs. Now, why this background is explained? Why this background is explained? Because you should understand, when, with this mindset, can women can actually participate in the freedom movement or the revolution. Take for example, today, who is shouting for women's right? Today, who is shouting for women's right means people or women belongs to the rich category, upper caste. Consider your own family, no? Your mother, if she is a homemaker, or she is preparing food in your home and all those things. If the gas price is increased and the government, if the Congress party say that tomorrow we will go for a march past or dharna in city, your mother will attend that? Huh? Your mother attend that protesting in the government, or she will say, no, I have work, let me take care of my work. What she will say?
She will not
Sir,
go.
The chance of supporting is very less, isn't it? Because they are busy their own,
sir, work will be there.
because they are busy their own work. That is what it clearly explains, that why this paragraph is there said that, because in France the social order was very much low for the women of third estate. In order to discuss and the voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspaper. About 60 women clubs came up in the different French cities. The Society of Revolutionary Republican Women was the most famous among them. Write down this one. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous club established in France. And what was the demand of the women? The major demand of women were enjoy the same political right with the men. Means women were not given voting right. When the Constitution of France denied women from voting right, the women in France were very unhappy with the Constitution, because women were considered as only passive citizens in France. But women demanded that they should be the active citizens, means they demanded for right to vote, to be elected in assembly and hold political office. They felt that it would represent the government, or once they are given the voting right, they can influence the government. In the early years, the revolutionary did introduce laws that helped to improve the lives of women. Together, the creation of state schooling was made compulsory for all the girls. Their fathers could no longer force them to marriage against the will. Marriage was made into contract entered into freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal, and this could be applied for both men and women. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists or run a small business. Women's struggle for equal political rights, however, continued during reign of terror. The new government issued ordering closure of women clubs and banning the political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and number of women were executed, killed. So if you closely observe the entire activities in France, the women condition in France was not so good, because women were given the position of a passive citizen. They were not the active citizens. Active citizen means they were not given the political right. Later, they demanded for equal right with that of men. Not only equal right, they demanded for Political representation means they said that they should be allowed to contest for election and represent the legislature at the demand of women in France. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now, after this only, the continuation of this only, that is left to the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte and the Battle of Waterloo. So, the topics which
So that in 1914, women got right.
I have not heard what you spoke.
After this only, many struggle they got right to vote, sir. In
Yeah,
France,
after
women
this
got
only
right
they
to
have
vote.
got struggle and there are a lot of issues. Okay, anyhow, I'll continue tomorrow. Before winding up, just we'll go through the topics once again, the entire topics. France was divided into three estates, that is first, second and third estate. Third estate, the population in third estate was more because the big businessmen, merchant, court officials, lawyers, etc., they were in the third estate. Farmers, peasants and artisans were there. Small and landless laborers, they were all there in third estate. And Louis XVI was a king of France when France went under revolution. There are two types of tax in France. One is paid directly to the state, and another is paid to the church. This is given here. Then one of the reasons for French Revolution, that political cause, philosophical cause, subsistence crisis, explained you in detail. Then the philosophical cause, the famous philosophers like Rousseau, Maximilien Robespierre, John Locke, they inspired the people of France or motivated the people of France by their philosophical ideas. Important dates related to French Revolution: 1774, 1789, 1791, 1792, 93, Napoleon Bonaparte 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte 1815, defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte in the Battle of Waterloo. Then France, outbreak of revolution in France, oath of tennis court, Estate General meeting called by Louis XVI, social contract book written by Rousseau, oath of tennis court, renaming of National Assembly. Then France became constitutional monarchy in 1791. Then Louis XVI was hanged or guillotined, and France became republic. Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens. All these topics, important topic. Why I am highlighting these topics once again? Because this chapter will definitely include more questions for your examination. So even the minor point of the chapters, go through in detail so that you'll face examination in a very, very confident way. Exams are very important, cadets, because your marks will be decided on the examination, because don't know what will happen the situation. COVID is there or not, I don't know. At present situation is like that, but the schools are the one such area which is highly affected because of the COVID disease. Because now you are roaming around, going around, playing around, going to temple, mosque, church, attending marriage function, everything. Only you are not doing is attending what?
Classes.
Are you with me? Attending classes. Okay. Anyhow, take care. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you.